Hello everyone. In today's video, I will show you how to calculate the difference between two dates in Excel. Whether you need to find out the number of days, months or years between them. We will use a simple Excel function that makes this process quick and easy. Let's get started. I have got a table here that has one column for the start date and another for the end date. And what we want to do is calculate how many days, months, and years have passed between them. Let's start by calculating the number of days between these dates. To do this, we will use the DATEDIF function. I will click on cell C2 where we want the result to appear. Type the equal sign followed by DATEDIF and open a bracket. Select the start date by clicking on cell A2, then enter a comma. Select the end date by clicking on cell B2, then enter another comma. Now we need to tell Excel what we want to calculate. Since we are looking for the number of days, type D inside quotes, then close the brackets. Press enter, and there you go. Excel instantly calculates the number of days between the two dates. Faster than you can come up with an excuse for missing a deadline. Alright, now that we have the result, let's apply this formula to the rest of the rows. Click on cell C2 where we just entered the formula. Move your cursor to the bottom right corner of the cell until you see the fill handle. Click and drag it through to the remaining rows. Now let's calculate the difference in months. In cell D2, I will enter the same function, but instead of D for days, I will use M for months. Press enter, and there it is. And finally, calculating the number of years. No surprise here. We will just swap out M for Y in our function. And just like that, Excel calculates the full years between the two dates. With just one function, we have quickly found the difference in days, months, and years between the two dates in Excel. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this. If you have any questions or suggestions for topics you want me to cover, please drop a comment below. I'll catch you in the next video. Take care.